Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today we have an unboxing. We recorded it out in the studio, but sadly we lost the audio. So I thought I'd try and do a little voiceover here and give you the cameraman's perspective of what he pays attention to while filming. Now, Marna pointed out that this box came from, I believe it was Iowa, and came south to us. We live in Missouri, central Missouri. And it first went to St. Louis, then it went to the east, then Kansas City to the west, and then down to Wichita, and then back up to Kansas City. But eventually it did find its way here, and what she purchased was this adorable Gooliope Jellington. Now, she is a very articulated, beautiful, monster-high doll, 17-inch, and she just loves these 17-inch fashion dolls. And this Gooliope Jellington she purchased on eBay. And one of the things she really likes about them is the Gooliope has this decor based on the carousel horse. And Marna is a carousel horse and horse fanatic as it is. So she really loves that. And of course the kind of ghoulish look of the high-heeled dead skeleton horse is a favorite of hers. What she wants to do with Gooliope is to restyle her hair. So what she was looking for was a used Gooliope that she wouldn't mind doing some hair work on, kind of reimagining her as more of a fashion doll. Now, she is so articulated, such a beautiful doll. It really does give Marna a lot of latitude in working with her. And you'll notice here that she has a pink tone that matches Marna's fingernails, and that is of course something that only a woman could care about. We hope you'll come back Thursday at 6 p.m. Central Time for our live, where Marna will be revealing what she has done, the new kind of makeover and dress that she's in clothing that she has created for Gooliope. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.